Want to sign up on Bitchenix in just a few minutes and get the chance to win up to 100,000 USDT? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step from creating your account to completing KYC and show you how to use referral code 66 to unlock exclusive rewards. Bitchenix is a fast-growing crypto exchange offering futures, spot trading, and powerful promotions for both beginners and experienced traders. It's secure, easy to use, and packed with bonuses that you don't want to miss. Here's why you should register with referral code 66 and complete KYC today. Unlock sign-up bonuses, deposit rewards, and even VIP benefits. Enjoy higher withdrawal limits and secure fiat transactions. Get exclusive access to trading competitions and community promotions. This is your ticket to the full Bitchenix experience. Here's how to create your account on Bitchenix. Click the sign-up link in the description. Enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. Type in referral code 66 in the invitation code box to activate your rewards. Accept the terms and conditions and confirm you're not from a restricted country. Enter the verification code sent to your email or SMS. Congratulations, your Bitchenix account is now active. Next, let's verify your identity. Log in, go to Profile, and click KYC Verification. Start with the basic level by entering your name, date of birth, and country of residence. For advanced KYC, upload a clear photo of your passport or government-issued ID, plus a selfie or quick liveness video. If required, upload a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Submit your documents and wait. Most verifications are processed within minutes to a few hours. Once approved, you'll unlock higher withdrawal limits, fiat options, and full access to all Bitchenix features. By completing KYC and using referral code 66, you're not only getting secure access but also entering Bitchenix promotions. This includes deposit bonuses, VIP upgrades, fee discounts, and the chance to join competitions with rewards of up to 100,000 USDT. Without referral code 66, you miss out on bonus rewards, fee discounts, and exclusive promotions. Without KYC, your account is limited, smaller withdrawals, no fiat access, and fewer features. With both code and KYC, you're unlocking the full Bitchenix experience. Make sure your ID photos are clear and valid. If your KYC gets rejected, simply check the reason, fix the issue, and try again. Don't wait. Click the sign-up link in the description, enter referral code 66, complete your KYC, and start trading with Bitchenix today. This is your chance to enjoy deposit bonuses, VIP benefits, and even win up to 100,000 USD. Thanks for watching this Bitchenix sign-up tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your crypto journey starts now with referral code 66. See you inside Bitchenix.